This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable Do Not Track on the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To enable Do Not Track on the LibreWolf browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, just a little ways down, we're in the section where it says Website Privacy Preferences. To enable Do Not Track, you want to check this box right here. Send websites a Do Not Track request. You would check this website right here to enable it. That is how to enable Do Not Track on the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.